Good morning friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Medical Classes by Dr. Srinidhi Kumar Acharya. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also please give your valuable comments. You can also visit my playlist. In the playlist I have provided all the topics so far we have discussed in a systematic order. So you can visit it and make use of it. Thank you very much. So as you all know, we are discussing about fetal growth and development. So today we will understand the development of musculoskeletal system in the fetus. Musculoskeletal development. Now from where actually the musculoskeletal system of the fetus develop? It is developed from the mesoderm. And this mesoderm is of two types, intra-embryonic and as well as extra-embryonic mesoderm. Both plays a very important role in musculoskeletal system. As we know, there is an inner and outer layer of extra-embryonic mesoderm, like visceral and parietal layer of the extra-embryonic mesoderm. As we know, there is inner and as well as outer layer of a extra-embryonic mesoderm, like visceral and parental layer of the EM. Meantime, intra-embryonic layer is sandwiched between the endoderm and the ectoderm and divided into the medial most, that is paraxial, intermediate and lateral portions. Its lateral portion is in touch with the extra-embryonic mesoderm. Now, intra-embryonic mesoderm develops the cavity in the lateral most part of the lateral most part, that is in the lateral plate, while the medial most part undergo proliferation and undergo thickening, and it is called as paraxial mesoderm. Paraxial mesoderm. Lateral to the paraxial mesoderm, that is intermediate mesoderm, and lateral to it, it is called as lateral plate. Intra-embryonic mesoderm develops the cavity, and that develops in the lateral most part, lateral plate, and its upper layer is related with the ectoderm, while the inner layer is related with the endoderm. This cavity which is developed is called as intra-embryonic coelom. This cavity is called as intra-embryonic coelom. The cavity, this particular cavity is connected with the extra-embryonic coelom in the lateral most part. The lateral most part, which is divided into again two layers, that is splanchnic, that is visceral, and parietal, that is somatic layer. Now there will be folding takes place in the endoderm, and endoderm from the both sides meet together. The splanchnic layer of the mesoderm also fold and meet at the center. Now the endoderm will become the tunnel which develops into the gastrointestinal system, while the splanchnic layer associated with it will develop into a smooth musculature of the GIT. This is how the lumen of the GIT is formed, and also the musculature of the GIT is formed. Musculature, it is formed from the splanchnic layer associated with this particular intra-embryonic coelom. The ectoderm also get folded and meet at the center, and later it get converted into skin. The ectoderm, now so far we are discussing the mesoderm. Now the ectoderm also get folded and meet at the center and later it is converted into skin. Meanwhile, the somatic layer of the mesoderm also fold into meat at the middle. The somatic layer providing the mesoderm from the body wall will now convert into the muscles of the body wall, and that is somatic muscles, and in the thoracic region it is get converted into ribs and as well as related muscles. Now the extra-embryonic coelom or cavity which is present will eventually converted into peritoneal cavity in the abdomen and pleural and pericardial cavity in the thorax. Now we shall see what happens to intermediate mesoderm. Intermediate mesoderm will form the kidney and urogenital structures. The development of the muscles will be discussed in three headings basically: development of the skull, development of the limbs, and development of the vertebrae. From the next class onwards, we will see the development of the skull. Thank you very much.